Welcome to our lesson about the Vent tool. If you don't have the Vent tool available, go to Customize, Commands, and select Fastening Features. Here's the Vent tool. And let's cancel out. Let's start by activating the Vent tool. The first action is to select a boundary. Here we go. Now in the Flow Area section, I see the area given in square millimeters, and currently it's 100% open. Let's make some more selections. We'll do the ribs now. They'll be 3 millimeters wide. Tab. And I'll select the spars now. We'll make them 2 millimeters. Lastly here, the fill-in boundary. Let's select the radius for the fillet, make it 2 millimeters. And let's take a look at the flow area. The open area is now 83.44%. Let's click OK to accept our changes. And this concludes our lesson about the Vent tool.